Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Again comes back with an updated video on Proshares Ultrapro Qqq or Tqqq, and I mean this is one of those trends which is responding very nicely, I would say, till now, until and unless some big mishap is happening. And even if it does, then obviously we need not to bother about that. When the overall market falls down, so does everything. But you need to understand what has the capacity or the potential to jumps back higher and performs well along with the market, or sometimes better than the market, and this is one of them. That's it. So let us analyze the updated price performance of Tqqq or Proshares Ultrapro Qqq. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribe my channel, just hit on the subscription button, also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. The target, the level or the support that we are going to look at, if you may want to call it as your stop loss, yes it is 16.9. okay, that's what you are going to look at. Now let me tell you one thing, that I have made lots of videos on this. If you want, you can probably go and check it out. And right now, if it falls below 16.21, let me tell you that I mean, in case of any big volatility which comes back into the market, and there is a very high certainty of that, so the next support we have here is in between 7.8 and 8.5. so this is what we have here, right? So after 16.91 it may go down towards 8.5 or in between 7.8 and 8.5. Now these levels, I mean, very few times I'm saying that the levels which I call it as a support or stop loss are big buying levels, and this is one of those scenarios. Now your next two big buy zones are 16.9, that's the first one, and if it falls below that, then we have our big buy zone in between 7.8 and 8.5, and you better don't miss it. Now people has a when things turns negative and people started losing money, the psyche is such that if the world turns down, and it's not going to happen. If you believe that you will live tomorrow, you have to believe that the stock market will survive tomorrow as well. You will die, but the stock market will continue to go on, more than you live. So that's the basic premise. Maybe it sounds foolish, but when we think negative, we think that everything is going to go down along with us, or everything is going to drown inside the water. That's not going to happen. So as far as the trend is concerned, these three are the most important levels, and it doesn't matter whether it will turn around from 16.9 or it will turn around from 7.8 or 8.5. the uptrend is intact. The uptrend we have here is completely intact, and we have some, I would say, pretty good bucks to make as far as the long term chart of Tqqq. And here we are. If you are looking at the long term, whenever, because I am not somebody who is very keen on timing and tries to time the market, but whenever things turns around, the big target in the upcoming years that we are going to look at will be in between $120 and $270 on the upside. So this is what we are looking at as far as the big trend for Tqqq is concerned, and I'll keep coming on with updated videos, more specifically on Tqqq, obviously on lots of other topics as well. But this is one of those chart which has, the most important thing is how the overall trend plays out. It's not about the stock or the index or the ETF has fallen 50, 60 or 70%. If the overall trend is intact, that's the best thing you can get as far as the down market or a bear market is concerned, because once that over, that the trend is intact, and that where it's going to lead moving forward. So we know here where or what is going to happen once things turns around as far as the upper end of the range is concerned. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.